Hello Scorpio, welcome to Clegent Tarot. We are doing a quick mid-month check-in for you today. This is going to be a very short reading. We'll look at your overall energy at this point of time and we'll seek any advice from spirits or universe for you. And we'll close it off with a couple of oracle cards as the final message. Okay, let's get started. Your cards have already started popping out. Looks like you are in a hurry to do whatever you are doing at this point of time. Okay, we have two major arcanas. We have the Justice and we have the Lovers and we have the Two of Swords. So, Scorpio, what's going on? Looks like you have been seeking balance in a situation and you are also at a crossroad. So, some big change or decision to be made in your life and you are feeling stuck in terms of which way to go. You want to bring balance. It can be something as simple as work-life balance. You might have had long working hours of late, or you might have had too many things happening at home and not able to focus on your business. So you're trying to find that balance between different aspects of your life, right? And this, since these are major arcanas, it's not only home or work, it's all round, right? But you're finding yourself unable to make that decision. Though I had decided not to do clarifications here, but let me pull a quick card on this Two of Swords. What is holding you back? So Two of Swords generally is a card where a person feels stuck, though they generally have all the information or tools to make the decision, right? Because if you see, her hands are free, she can just untie the cloth on her eyes and find her path around, take a decision in terms of which way to go. Two of Swords is again a card of Libra, seeking balance. You can see a balance scale here also. You have it here also. What's so off balance in your life? We have the Queen of Wands. Okay, some changes have happened around you which are beyond you, and it's almost like you have been attracting a certain kind of energy which is bringing you to. Oh, okay, now I. So, of late, Scorpio, you have been bringing in an energy of fear, and it's the fear of not knowing which option to take that's holding you from decision here. And the more you delay the decision, the more off balance your life gets. So that's one thing to keep in mind. I think overthinking or being afraid is not going to solve the situation for you. Let's move forward as what's the advice for you, Scorpio. Okay, we have the Queen of Pentacles, a very grounded energy. Two of Wands, card of taking action. You have been planning for a while, but it's time to move forward now. And with the Queen of Pentacles, I think you know what to do, where to go, right? And we also have the Knight of Cups and the King of Cups. So if there are things where you have been thinking about not moving forward because you're afraid that it will knock you off balance and you'll not be in your comfort zone, I think it's time to take that step. There's nothing to be afraid about. The moment you take this decision, move forward, you will have this Knight of Cups come in, where you will either get an offer to support you, or it can be someone coming in your life to help you through this phase of life. It can be an opportunity coming your way. Depending upon your situation, you are going to get support from universe. And with this King of Cups, right, you are going to be able to, no matter how much there's going to be chaos around you, you're going to be able to find that center and calm within you. You will find that balance. And with the Queen of Pentacles, there is abundance. Like, you are getting into a place where you will be abundant, and you will be able to nurture people around you, guide them. I'm also getting a lot of mentorship energy. You might be going into a role of stepping into a role as a coach or a leader where you direct or guide people. So, and that might be scaring you. I think the message is clear. There's nothing to be afraid about. You need to take action. The more you delay this decision, the more chaos you bring into your life. Let's see what the Oracle of the Fairies have for you as the message. Let's pull. Okay. You seem to be very withdrawn. We have come together. So I'll just read it to you. Fairies like to be busy, and a group of them is showing you that many hands make light work. Working as a team helps get the job done. So yes, if you are stuck and afraid, and if you feel that you can't do this alone, please seek help. There's always a set of people around you who will be able to come and support you. We always have the option to ask help, right? Let's see what the Moonology deck has for you. And we get bring love into the situation, new moon in Aquarius. So another 4-5 months down the line, you might have some change coming in. This situation might get a little more stable and you might get into this King of Cups energy. Since these are major arcana energies, I don't so these are not things that will change in next 10 days, 15 days for you. This is something which is starting at this point and will take the course of next 6 months at least, right? So but do not let fear control you. Seek help where you have to and move forward with whatever decision you have to restore balance and harmony in your life. That's all I have for you, Scorpio. Let me know in the comments below if this reading resonated. Do like, subscribe if you like the content I share, so that I can keep bringing you more content. And that's all I have for you today. Bye.